News just coming in, Pakistani forces have killed Indian fishermen near the Mitha port in Gujarat. A boat carrying 7 fishermen drowned after firing by Pakistan's Maritime Security Agency. Now 6 fishermen were rescued by the Indian Coast Guard, but 1 fisherman could not survive. The incident occurred on January 17th. India has raised the issue and sent a note verbal to Pakistan. And I'm joined by my colleague Siddharth Simple, our principal correspondent covering foreign affairs. Siddharth, please give us more on this development.
Development, the Pakistan Maritime Security Agency fired upon an Indian fishing boat, which was, of course, approximately 65 nautical miles away from the Mitha port of the coast of Gujarat on 17th of this month at 7 a.m. The ship, the Pakistan Maritime Agency's ship, even rammed into the Indian boat, which led to the sinking of the ship. On board were 7 Indian fishermen. 6 were saved. 1 is still missing and presumably dead because of the incident. India has strongly raised the matter with Islamabad. India, in a note verbal on 19th, which was sent from the Ministry of External Affairs here in New Delhi, said that this was an unprofessional and heinous act by the Pakistan Maritime Security Agency. India has called for an investigation and said that the act is against every international norm and against humanitarian norms which are followed globally. And this, of course, coming at a time when we know harassment of Indian diplomats happening in Islamabad. And let me tell you that this is worst such incident of Indian fishermen getting involved in such kind of incident because of the Pakistani forces in many years. The last such incident took place in 2015. And India, of course, has been focusing on the issue of Indian fishermen in Pakistani custody. Approximately 1,700 Indian fishermen have been taken from the Pakistani custody in last 4 years by India, and they are brought back to India. Meanwhile, 400 Indian fishermen still languish in Pakistani jails.
Thank you so much for this update.